How to export contacts from Yahoo Mail. Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Tech It Simple. Today I'm here again with a quick and easy tutorial on how to export contacts from Yahoo Mail. Firstly, open your web browser and go to the Yahoo Mail website. Make sure that you're logged into your Yahoo Mail account. Go to the inbox of your Yahoo Mail account and tap on the contacts icon as shown by the arrow. In here, you can see your contacts that you're going to export. Click on the three dots, and in the drop-down menu, you can see different options. From these options, click on the Export to CSV file option. After that, a message saying your export will start shortly will pop up on your screen. After the completion of the export, you might need to confirm your action and choose a location to save the exported file. I hope you understood this. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more informative content. We'll see you in the next one. Till then, stay tuned. Bye bye.